What's up guys, it's Charlotte here back with another video, and today we are here, as you can tell by the title, with another unboxing video. And so this video we're going to be unboxing the GreenLaw wireless Bluetooth keyboard. I cannot talk. I can't talk. Okay, do you know why I can't talk, guys? Can you do a guess? I'll give you a couple seconds. Alright, time's up. If you're guessing braces, you're correct, because that's the obvious answer. Got my braces today, and I got it in purple, light purple. Comment below what color I should get next for my braces when I go visit again. But yeah. Before you go more into the video, if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Charlene. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. You won't miss a video anymore. I got you. So right here is the iPadPro 11-inch 2018 with the Apple Pencil, and I reviewed this on my previous video. If you want to go there easily, then go ahead and click the link in the description box below. So this is the iPad case. As you can see, you can rotate it 360 degrees. Has a 17 color backlit keyboard. It has sleep wake, and it supports the Apple Pencil and all of that. And there's different color to it. There is rose gold, black, Tiffany blue, purple, and papaya. Ready? Keyboard case, iPad. Guys, this is heavier than the iPad. Is this the actual keyboard though? This is the actual keyboard. This is lighter than the keyboard. What? This is gonna feel like a laptop for sure. Okay, here we are. I wonder why it's so heavy though. Like there's a whole there's a foam in there, so I'm guessing it's the material. So this is definitely like a laptop feeling. This is definitely like a laptop feeling already. No. I like this keyboard already because of the typing on it. Then here you have the on and off switch right here. You can't see it because it's my iPad phone. Turn it on. Oh! I did not see that coming. Oh, let's see here. We could rotate it. Yeah, that's so cool. This is actually stiff enough to feel like a laptop. I'm not gonna lie. This is cool. As of for now, let's just pop this right in. So you just slide that in, pop it like that. Oh my god, guys, this looks like an actual laptop. This actually looks like a laptop. Let's close it. Oh, guys, this laptop. Oh god, I meant iPad. This iPad feels like a laptop. Look how it feels so heavy. How to get keyboard sync with iPad. Power it on the keyboards by setting it on and off on position. Then press FN and C button together. The blue LED light flash and the Bluetooth keyboard is open. So you're gonna hold FN and C. Blue light. Bluetooth keyboard. It's connected. Let's play with the colors. There's 3 levels of brightness. So if you want it light, press it once. If you want it medium level, press it twice. If you want it really bright to burn your eyes off, press it 3 times. Okay, so to adjust the color, you press that light bulb and the up or down to change the colors, and left and right to adjust the tricolor. Alright, let's try this.
Put down my brightness. Blue, yellow, purple, or pink, teal. Yo, this is so cool.
And if you want a tricolor, which we saw earlier, you hold this down and press left or right.
Like that. Yeah, this is so cool. Okay, let me actually.
Hi. This is a GreenLaw keyboard case review for the iPad Pro 11-inch 2018, along with the Apple Pencil, aka Acting TV Productions, the one and only YouTuber. There you go, guys. Oh, there's a lock screen. Where's the lock screen at? Oh, here you go. Boom. Boom. Search, search, search. Brightness up, brightness down. Brightness up. This is tablet mode. Once you're in tablet mode, you can also go ahead and do whatever you like that requires no keyboard. So for example, drawing, sketching out, whatever you want. Playing games. Yes, I'm playing Glow Hockey, but I won. And also writing notes for your classes. If you decide to use this iPad as a notebook for college, use GoodNotes. It's a really good app, and here's more about it in a second. By the way, guys, I'm not actually saying that that section of a book is important. I'm just showing you guys what this new app called GoodNotes could do, and I'm going to be using it as a notebook for college because I don't want to bring a lot of notebooks into my classes. It's a little waste of paper. Now, I'm not sponsoring this video or anything like that. I'm not that popular. I did my research, and this is a great app to use as a notebook for college. I will do a review on this on my channel probably a week after college starts. Alright guys, so that was the unboxing and review of the GreenLaw keyboard case for the iPad Pro. If you guys want to buy this keyboard as well, the link to it will be in the description box below. And yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, and all that fun stuff. And this girl with the heavy laptop is out. Bye!